The people of Deopani protested against the decision of selected nominated MAC as executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. It's a matter of great disquiet for the people of 24th number Deopani MAC constituency that in the last MAC election, Mukut Mahanta was not given ticket from BJP as the people of the constituency were tired of him and his policy and decided not to cast vote for him. If he would have been given ticket, certainly he would have lost. But after the election and result, he was nominated as MAC. People were silent till that. But when Mukut Mahanta was given executive and department, the flame of dissatisfaction sparked in the heart and mind of the people. Slowly this spark turned violent and today burst out as anger. The people came out on the road with banners and placards against such policy of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and demanding rolling back of the decision of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and Assam Government by which Mukut Mahanta was given executive member, ignoring the elected members. Besides this, the people of the constituency disliked the policy of divide and rule policy and clearly said that they don't like Mukut Mahanta as executive member from Deopani Constituency and demanded the elected MAC Shraban Telenga as executive member.
KAAC, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, CEM, that I would like to request, or we all here, we would like to request CEM of Karbi Anglong and even like State Gov, like Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, that you have to look what the situations have faced in here, Deopani Constituency, and we will like to appeal like Mukut Mahanta. We do not like Mukut Mahanta as he have been made the systematic divide and rule policy the last 5 years before. So we do not like Mukut Mahanta as EM. So we humble request the State Gov and the Council, the team Karbi Anglong CEM, we are humble request that if you kind love for the people of here, Deopani Constituency, then we are earnestly request to have that Shraban Telenga as a EM of Deopani Constituency. Thank you.